So today's finally the day that I put the Tomei exhaust on my WRX. I already got the car all jacked up, and I just gotta get the exhaust and bring all the tools down here, and we're ready to start going. All right, so here's the Tomei titanium exhaust. So it goes, there's the muffler, and it goes all the way, and there's a resonator right there, and then the cat, pretty much, the stock cat, comes out right there. All right, so I'm not gonna show you what the stock exhaust sounds like on the WRX because you can literally search that up anywhere and it sounds like nothing, just like any other car. I'll show you the sound clip once we get this exhaust on, and yeah, let's get this baby on. All right, so Tomei does send a box with, so right here we got a badge that I will probably never put on. Fasteners for the exhaust. Got some gaskets and some bolts and springs and hardware and stuff like that. Got the silencer that I will throw that away, and then the hanger for the muffler. So anyway, let's go. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off these bolts here from each of the muffler, and I already WD-40'd them up, so they should be all good. Oh god, that is so fucking annoying. So I got both of them off right there. Now I just got to get these hangers out mostly with that one, and there's one on the other side right there, and then same with the other one. All right, so I got both mufflers off. For some reason, that one took way longer than this one. This one literally took me like 5 seconds. Mufflers are off, as you can see there. Now to take off this pipe right there. So with this pipe, I'm gonna leave this hanger on for now while I go over there and take off those bolts there. So I was trying to get this one bolt from right next to the cat, and so I just went to battle with these two fucking bolts. These did not want to come off easy, so finally got them loose, and I just gotta take them off. I finally got that out. As you can see, it's dangling there. Now I gotta take off the hanger, and then we should be good to go to put the new one on. So that's out now. Oh, time to put this baby in. Here I got the new bolts that they came with, and then I got the bolt paste right here to put that on, I guess, just so that way it won't seize. And then, so yeah, here we go. It's fucking nice outside. But I gotta hurry up because I'm running out of sunlight. So I got that mid pipe in, and I just hung this one up. I haven't put anything else on there yet. I haven't torqued it down either. I'm waiting to put everything on there and the muffler on there. So once I finish everything, then I'll torque it down and put the springs on, and we're good to go. All right, so I haven't torqued everything down yet. Obviously, this is hanging down way too low and has a lot of wiggle room, so I'm gonna fix that right now. But everything's all set. I gotta torque everything down, put the springs in, and put the clamps on. Other than that, it's all set to go, so let me do that real quick. Everything went pretty smooth, but I'm really nervous because I really hope there's no exhaust leaks. Let's start her up. Yes, dude, fuck yeah. Oh my god, it sounds so fucking good. Damn. Okay, I gotta check for exhaust leaks. Alright, I'm dying to know what this thing sounds like revved up, so I'm gonna rev it for you guys. I think it should be warmed up now. I'm gonna end it here for you guys. That took me so long, but it was so worth it, because fuck, that sounds so good. But thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and yeah, there's more videos coming soon. See you later.